My children were taken from me in a similar way by 5 police officers, without warning, without preparation. They were 7 and 9. By order of the court, I was not allowed to see or hear from them again. It has been 4 years, and they never got to return home, even to pick up their belongings or to say goodbye.
The morning does not open right as sock.
I'm a forensic psychiatrist with 25 years of experience serving as an expert witness for the criminal and civil courts, and nothing could have ever prepared me for the abuse and violence I came to see through the family courts.
I would not have known about family courts except for my sister's divorce. One moment, her children are thriving under her care with perfect physical and psychological health, and she's praised around the neighborhood for her parenting skills. The next moment, her previously absentee father files for divorce, and her children are seized in a police raid without warning, and the violently abusive father who almost killed each of his 2 children by head injury gets sole custody.
Did you say that the child was taken by a SWAT team?
Yes.
From a mother
Who was simply
unarmed,
carrying out her parenting time with them.
unarmed in her home.
No warning, no concerns about her parenting ability whatsoever, and that was when the custody was switched.
This is quite an indictment of the system, madam.
And
All
no
right.
plenary hearing for going on 4 years.
All right.
Within the context of child custody cases, there exists multi-layered violence that has yet to enter into the collective conscience of the international community as a human rights issue.
As a survivor, I recognize my privilege in speaking out. There are so many who are suffering in silence.
It was the most devastating feeling to know I had gone to the ends of the earth but could not protect my children.
I want people to understand that family court isn't just difficult. It is devastating, and it is a long process.
The most troubling part is the deliberate orders issued by courts to return a child to an abusive parent, even when there is credible evidence of abuse, and only because contact with that parent was considered more important than any other consideration, including the safety and security of that child.
When reading all of these case citations, the judges have some divine authority to decide what's best for the child.
We do not ordinarily think of family courts as sites of violence, but by denying, or worse, exploiting the existence of domestic violence and child abuse, family courts have become one of the deadliest places for children and the adults who try to protect them.
I have to, survive this to get my kids back. If not, at least they'll know that I tried.
The morning does not open right as sock beneath the chair. Crumbs like constellations on the kitchen floor. The spoon remembers your mouth, mine remembers your name. The air holds the shape of laughter, folded like a map that no one